what's your name? Oh, that sounds familiar. Have we played this game? Where one person hides and you've gotta go find them. I'm looking for my friend. Wait, you think you see him? In this tree, in this box, that's a good hiding spot. Gotta get this done so we can have more fun.
Hey, look, you found me. Guess it is my turn, huh?
Oh, we could play another game, maybe tag.
Wait, Amanda, I haven't gotten a turn. Can't we just do one more round of hide and seek?
I guess that's only fair.
What comes next? Alright, you're the best. You must play this a lot. So ready or not, here I come. Oh no, she could be anywhere. Do you see Amanda?
Now watch us play our part. Now watch us dance and sing. Don't want to fall apart like kids who never seem to scream. We get to play all day, but can we play my way? Got another game, so can you try it with me?
Amanda! Oh, Amanda!
Hi, my name's Amanda. Oh, hi, it's you again. We're playing hide and seek. Seems like it never ends. Isn't it getting boring? We'd have more fun today if we try something else. But hide and seek away. I'm thinking how we play tag when I say you're it and I run a zigzag. Can we be happy if we make believe?
Amanda!
I'm ready to play it. I'm ready.
Amanda!
What?
Now that you're wanting to play tag, but it's my turn now.
It's my turn now.
It's my turn
It's
now.
my turn.
Now watch us play our part. Now watch us dance and sing. Don't let it break your heart. Just play along and never.
We get to play all day, but can we play my way? Got another game, so can you try it with me?
Just past this bush or behind this old tree. I don't think that she's down there. Please, you must trust me. I don't wanna go in there. I don't wanna go in there. I don't wanna go. Huh?
Looks like you found silly Mr. Fox. Now watch him fall apart. Now watch him gush and bleed. He had a beating heart that ended with a little scream. Now we can play all day, and we will play my way, play my own game. So can you try it with me? Now watch us play apart. Now watch us dance again. Like it's been playing every day. La 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 la. Could you try it somehow? What was your favorite hiding spot?
That was my favorite hiding spot.